Hello, my name is Kelly Joanna Cordova Diaz and I'm 24 years old. I am a student and I work as an office assistant. Currently, I am single. I am a good person. I like to spend time with my friends and my family. I like to dance and watch movies when I can because I am because person and I don't have a lot of free time. I also like to read because I live in Santiago, Putumayo, Colombia. Jose is taller than Carlos. Carlos is stronger than Jose. Jose is ein sehr high Carlos. The eyes of Jose are bigger than Carlos' eyes. Carlos is more talented than Jose. Jose is faster than Carlos.